tuning into my channel. So today what I'm going to be doing is shaving my head. I'm not going to be shaving it like completely bald to the scalp, but to the grain, pretty close. I have some wall clippers here that I'm going to use. I got them off Amazon. I'll link it down below. And that's pretty much it. Let me see what the back looks like, because I can't see the back, so. All right, so I did go ahead and finish the back off camera because I needed to utilize my mirrors. So this is the back now, clean shaven. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bleach it. I'm gonna try to get it white, okay? So yeah, let's get into that. So this is the color I got after I bleached it one time. It's the back. I'm going to bleach it again because I want it white, like white. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I really love the outcome. I might actually bleach it one more time, even though I did it twice already. I still might go in for a third time to see if I can get it any more icier than this. Other than that, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys again soon.